guys, here we go. Before I get started, I just want to do a very quick informal introduction. This is officially my first YouTube channel and video, and I am way too excited. My name is Michelle. I'm 27 years old. I have a beautiful 10-year-old daughter named Bella, and she's the reason for who I am today. I believe I have been given the gift of creativity. From taking furniture from dumpsters that had no hope and turning them into something stunningly beautiful on a very tight budget is one of my talents. I will also cover quick and easy, yummy recipes, Dollar Tree hacks, mom life, thrift store finds, furniture remodeling, curly hair and makeup tutorials, and organizational tips. It sounds like so much fun, and that's because it is. It's everything I'm passionate about, everything I enjoy doing. And I'm pretty good at it, and I cannot wait to share it with you. Thank you to everyone who inspired me and encouraged me to finally start this YouTube channel and share my creativity and talents with the world during this COVID-19 pandemic. I appreciate you all, and enjoy! Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Now let's get started. Okay, so with this piece, I took the top off and I sprayed it with my favorite spray paint by Rust-Oleum. There is already primer included in the spray paint, so you don't need to buy primer. I painted the legs, put the top back on, and I really like the contrast that it gives. Alright, so with this bench, I usually go to Walmart in the sewing and fabric section. I get 2 yards of whatever color pattern I'm using in my living room. And I turn the bench upside down, take the staples out, remove the fabric, then replace it with the new fabric, measure and cut to size, and then staple the fabric back on. It's super simple, and here's the final product. A long time ago, this just used to be a wooden bench, and so I also spray painted the legs gold. Here I'm showing you how to make no-sew pillow covers. So this is extra fabric I had from the bench. I just cut it in two, and I grabbed some fabric glue. And I glued around the trimming of the fabric on the right side, if that makes sense. You'll see why later. I was drying it. It's usually 4 hours. It took me 20 minutes to dry. So the reason why I turned the fabric inside out is when you flip it the other way, it gives you that clean trim line like if you were to sew it, but you really glued it. So then you grab the fabric and you turn it inside out. And then it'll look like that. Stuff the pillow to your preference. You can find the polyfill bag at Walmart. It's honestly like under $3. And one bag was enough to fill both of the pillows. And here's the final product. Okay, I want you to take a close look. I found this 6 years ago in the dumpster. And the first transformation I did to it was paint it teal on the outside, white on the inside, remove the middle sticks, and added baskets that I made from the Dollar Tree. Okay, here I am 6 years later, and I just wanted something different in my living room. I used a piece of cardboard to get a precise line when spray painting the bottom trim of this piece. The rest of the piece on the inside and on the outside and around and on the table, it's a very matte navy blue color. It's very pretty. You'll see it at the end of this video. Okay, moving on. This is a wooden Pallet coffee table that I made 6 years ago. I got 2 wooden pallets, 4 industrial wheels, and I screwed them to the bottom. I gave it a new coat after 6 years, having a very crafty child. Here I am giving it its final coat. It has a very clean, nice look. It looks white, but it's actually a pretty light gray. Here's a coat rack I found at Goodwill for under $5. I bought it because I saw the potential in it. I just took the leaves out and I spray painted it midnight blue. And now it's on my wall. This is my daughter's bookshelf. She had a lot of slime on it, so I had to sand it off. Finally, after sanding it and getting a smooth surface, I gave it 3 coats of spray paint. Again, I'm using the Rose Oleum paint. The finish of this spray paint is a matte black. And my friend, PJ the Dream, she's a kindergarten teacher, and she gave me the idea to buy her chalk. It's washable, so she could literally wipe it down with water and a napkin, and honestly, she loves it. Here's one of my favorite pieces, Bella's pink desk with a broken leg. After using some Gorilla Wood glue and a couple of nails, I was able to fix that back leg. Here you see me taking out the handle from one of the drawers, pretty much removing all the hardware from the drawers. And then I hand sanded the small details that this desk has. If I would have used my sanding machine, it would have damaged the character that this desk has. It has very thin lines. Okay, so the next day I did use my sanding machine just to get all the paint off of the drawers. Once I was done sanding, I grabbed a spray bottle and I sprayed down all the furniture and I wiped the dust completely off. Now there's only water inside that spray bottle. There's like not a special solution or anything. Here's a picture of the desk before I spray paint it. And there goes the spray paint. So I start from the bottom and work my way up. Now, tricks for spray painting: if your hand gets tired, if your finger starts hurting, just take a break. Here you see me painting the drawers. And then moving on to the hardware, I used a gold metallic finish. Again, the brand is still Rust Oleum. It's honestly one of the best spray paint brands for arts and crafts. Okay, and now to the final details. Remember how I said that this desk had a lot of thin lines? Well, I wanted a very antique look, and so I grabbed gold metallic paint and I went along the thin lines and I did like a gold trimming. Now I just want to remind you of what this used to look like. And here's the final results. This turned out so beautiful. It's one of my favorite pieces, and it's actually now my vanity where I'm gonna start doing my makeup. Bella decided she wanted more space in her room, and so she gave it to me. Okay, now moving on to Bella's bed. Me and Bella spray painted her bed black because that's the color she wanted. Bella said she didn't want purple, pink, or teal anymore because she is transitioning into her teenagehood and I need prayers. I used a Sharpie marker. This Sharpie marker is a specific metallic paint marker that you can use on wood, metal, glass. I did a gold trimming around the details of her bed. Here you can see how it turned out. Now I found these decals at Walmart and I let Bella put decals around her bed. Remember what her bed looked like before? Well, here's the final result. Honestly, this is stunning. I don't know what it is about the black contrast against the bright flowers. It looks so good. Okay, now I told you guys I was going to bring you organizational hacks, and yes, this is underneath my sink. Your girl is not perfect, and I am ashamed. After cleaning it and trying to get my cat out of it, I was able to organize it by using baskets from the Dollar Tree. Alright, here we are. Congratulations! You made it to the end of my very first YouTube video. Right now I'm showing you pictures of what my living room looks like after I did the makeover. There goes the bench and the pillows. I got those curtains at Walmart. You see the wooden pallet coffee table and my dresser. It's where I keep my TV and my baskets and all the games. Honestly, the makeover turned out to be so beautiful. It feels so cozy and nautical. And thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.